Hi guys, welcome to javainterviewquestions.com. Today we'll see what is typecasting and how typecasting is classified and how to demonstrate typecasting in Java. So first we'll see what is typecasting. So assigning a value of one type of variable to another type is known as typecasting. So assigning a value of one type to another type is known as typecasting. Example, I have an integer a equals to 10. Okay. Now I want to assign this to a float. We call it as an typecasting. And float to int to double to int. We call all these as an typecasting. In Java, there are two types of typecasting. One is widening casting, and another is narrowing casting. Widening casting is also known as implicit. That means implicit casting. And narrowing casting should be done explicitly. But widening casting, by default it happens. We did not do anything in order to perform widening casting. So automatic typecasting takes place when the two types are compatible. That is, target type is larger than source type, and two types are compatible. So when two types are compatible and the target type is larger than source type, then we call it as an typecasting, automatic typecasting. And coming to the narrowing typecasting, when we are assigning a larger type value to a variable of smaller type, then we need to perform explicit typecasting. When we are assigning a larger type value to variable of smaller type, suppose double to float. Okay, double is a big one and float is float to double. Okay, and long to double, integer to long. We call it as an what do we say? We are assigning a variable of larger type to the smaller type, which is called as an narrowing casting, which should be done explicitly. Now we'll write a program to demo typecasting. I'm creating a class typecasting demo. I'm writing a main method, and first I'm taking few values, int I equal to 10, int b equal to float b equals to 20.00f, float b. Next, double c equals to 1.234579, and byte h equal to 127. So I took int float double and long f long L equals to 1.2. Type mismatch, convert from double to long. So why I am getting this 1.2L? Still we are getting the issue. Let me check. Cannot convert from double to long. Okay, right, perfect. I'm giving some value 9999. So now what we'll do is I'll demo explicit typecasting as well as implicit typecasting. Now I'm writing system.out.println. I'm writing, it's also called implicit or automatic typecasting equals to b equal to I. Let me check what is the error. One second. B equal to I. System.out.println. B. Okay. Here B equals to I is nothing but, here it is automatic or implicit or widening. Implicit or widening. Okay. And now I am copying this. And now I am assigning this to, I am printing what? So B equals to I, implicating or widening. Now I equals to P. Here we will get a compilation error because I is like integer, B is like float. So we are trying to assign B value, that is float value, to integer value. Here float value is that integer value is smaller, float value is bigger. But we are trying to assign bigger value to smaller value. So what we need to do? We need to do explicit typecasting. Integer into B. Now print system.implicit typecasting or explicit typecasting, we call this as. So remove this comment, explicit typecasting. Okay. So let's run this program and see the output. So implicit or automatic typecasting, B equals to 10. So actually we are what we are trying to do, B equals to I means B is nothing but float, but we are assigning I value to B. So that is the reason actually we should get I value, B value as what? 10. That means 10, not 10.0. So what we can do is system.out.println, just to understand, before typecasting B equals to, not B equals to, I equals to. Why? Because we are assigning I value to B. So if you see the first statement, before typecasting I value is 10. But after typecasting we are assigning I value to B. So B is nothing but float. So that is the reason we are getting 0.0. So similarly, explicit typecasting, we are assigning integer value to the, B. What is B? Explicit typecasting. So we are assigning B value to I. And then I am printing I. So I equals to int I equal to int of B. Okay. And now I am doing, this is the output, explicit typecasting. So hope you guys understand what is the difference between implicit and explicit typecasting. Thanks for watching my video. If you like my videos, don't forget to subscribe to my videos.